Unraveling Be Subdued, Mastering English Phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that often puzzles learners: be subdued. Whether you've come across it in a book, heard it in a conversation, or stumbled upon it in a movie, understanding what it means can help you grasp the nuance of the English language. So, let's dive in and demystify this expression together. To be subdued means to be quiet, controlled, and somewhat reflective or toned down in nature. It's often used to describe someone's demeanor or the atmosphere of a place. For instance, if a usually lively person is quieter than usual, you might say they are being subdued. It can also refer to colors, lights, or sounds that are not very bright, loud, or intense. A subdued color is not very bright, and a subdued light is not very strong. In sound, a subdued noise is one that is soft and not easily heard. Let's look at some examples to understand how be subdued is used in sentences. 1. After the argument, her personality was much more subdued than usual. 2. The party was surprisingly subdued. There wasn't the usual noise and chaos. 3. He wore subdued tones to the interview to give a good impression. 4. The lighting in the restaurant was subdued, creating a cozy atmosphere. By placing be subdued in various contexts, you can see how its meaning changes slightly but generally conveys the sense of being low-key or restrained. When learning be subdued, it's important not to confuse it with being sad or uninterested. A subdued person may simply be calm or contemplative. Also, the phrase is not necessarily negative. It can reflect respect or appropriateness for a situation, like a subdued celebration after a solemn event. And there you have it. We hope this video has clarified what be subdued means and how you can use it in everyday English. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the shades of meaning in different phrases and contexts. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to be subdued in your learning. It's okay to take a quieter, more reflective approach sometimes. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.